Welcome YouTube subscribers and anyone else watching this video. This is Ben.vens with MarineMax, Osage Beach. Today we are going to walk through this brand new 2019 GS24 by Nautique. This is a great family boat for water skiing, wakeboarding, surfing, or even tubing, if that's what you'd like to do. This particular boat has our tungsten gray paint job with a medallion gold metal flake accent and a black hole bottom. It's a 24-foot boat, comes with a trailer. If you follow me back here, I'll kind of speak about what makes this boat so great. Right here is our surf system. It's award-winning in the industry. It's nice and clean, tucked up underneath the boat. There's nothing back here to kick your feet on. We have our surf pipe, putting all the exhaust while you're back here surfing down into the prop stream so you're not sucking CO2 while you're trying to have a good time back here. Right here is our Nautique configurable running surface. It is a tab at the back of the boat that helps adjust the pitch of the boat to create a more mellow or steeper wake. And it also helps get the boat on plane while you're pulling wakeboarding and even just running around the lake. As you can see, this boat is equipped with the Mojave brown sea deck. Very popular, looks very sharp. As I walk onto the boat here, again, I apologize for the noise. We're next to a highway. I'll try and speak loud here. We've got these great transom seats for strapping a board on or just hanging out, watching people swim while you're coving out in between sets. We've got a great walkthrough. Everything's lined with sea deck, even the gunnels, so at any time if you want to jump off the boat or climb in and out of the boat, you don't have to step on your upholstery. Got a removable seat here that you can pop in there, so make that a seat while you're driving around, or pull it out and hide it. Right here is our ski pylon. It's on a nice little gas shock there. Easy to pop up and easy to stow. We have a nice wraparound seating. Got this nice seat here for backward facing. Great storage underneath the passenger seat here. Great for boat bags, towels, anything like that. Nice sub. Got the upgraded stereo in this boat. The interior color is our Mojave sand, no, what is that? Sahara sand. Gives it a nice rich color, nice look to the boat. Got great storage here. Got your trash can. I move this. We've got a cooler over here on the starboard side, and on the port side another cooler, both removable. And telescoping compartments to the back. This boat is optioned with the Pro Ballast, which gives you a little more weight for those people that really like the bigger surf waves. Moving forward, we've got the great Helm Seat, Nautique, race inspired. Super comfortable. It's designed to sit sideways and watch what's going on behind the boat, or talk to people in the boat on their day out in the water. Adjustable steering wheel. Seat moves back and forth. If you're a tall person, there's plenty of leg space. Nice ergonomic throttle here, place to rest your arm, and our nice home controls. You can change your volume, what you're doing with the boat, and your speed with just the quick touch of a button. This also controls our 17-inch screen here that is touch screen, or you can use this knob here to navigate throughout the boat. We have an awareness cam, which will automatically pop up slower speeds so you can see around you. and lots of functions in here. What's unique with Nautique is we have a GoPro app. You can connect your GoPro. It will start and stop your recording for you as the throttle starts and stops. It's a pretty neat feature. Great place for your cell phone. There's USBs and 12-volt chargers throughout the boat for everyone. Not to mention, there's all kinds of phone holders back here for people to put their phones in so they're not falling in between the seats. Cup holders for everyone on the boat. This boat holds 17 people. Up front there, we have more great seating. All of our compartments are lined with SeaDek and drain nicely in case you're putting wet life jackets or anything else away. More cup holders. It's just a great place to relax. We've got the bow speakers too, so the tunes are good up here. Right here we have our insert. So on those cool summer mornings, or if you're like me and like to go out in the spring and the fall, a way to shut off the wind coming through the boat while we're driving. On the port side here, we got a great glove box, place to set your phone, your head unit, and more USBs and ways to connect your phone to the boat if you don't want to use Bluetooth. This boat is equipped with Sirius XM, if that's something that's important to you. We've got the two 8.8 JL audio speakers with lights shine down at night, and on top is our bimini. It has two great surf pockets to store more surfboards. So again, this is Ben.vens with MarineMax Osage Beach. If you are interested in Nautique, we have a GS series and a G series boat in the water at all times for demo, and we have plenty of boats on lot, so stop in and see us.